these are all my lovely ladies in Belize, and all of them subscribe. If you don't listen at the background and hear my mouth, so tell them for me. So subscribe. Your channel is Stephanie? You have a YouTube channel?
Our channel is Chicken Chefin.
Okay, so she said subscribe. Now we're gonna say it in a 3, 1, 2. Subscribe, share, like, comment. I am a Jamaican living in Belize. I'm a day. I make a chicken restaurant. I'm a nala into the fish bad. When I say bad, my belly full and I half of him eat. I can't eat it off of my husband and get you crazy. Whoa! I forget what was it. Now my friend just tell me say she know a Jamaican man and fall in love with him. And the man come and come marry me. His body friend tell me I'm gonna look for him.
I know man, you don't marry that can't go so. I don't wanna kill him.
Friend no.
I don't wanna kill your baby.
My Bex man. My Bex.
But we come to Jamaica next year, so we are still on. We can't wait to still on.
So we're planning our trip to Jamaica. So also my vlog is gonna be a travel vlog. I move it, step it up. So guess what I go on? Wanna look out for see me and my Belizean crew.
Yes,
Hey!
Coming to Jamaica. Talk truth. Yeah. And just know we're gonna drop the pop the balloon soon and very soon. So it's a girl team, like, share and subscribe. I am a Jamaican living in Belize. All of my Belizean people there, I love you no matter what you hear me say. I love you, I just tell you the truth, but I love you now.
I love you now.
So here we go on. You don't know I'm a girl team and I'm out in the streets and I walk up and down and I'm all about. You don't know. Boom.